Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. So I actually was able to get my Boxy, what is this, Luxe in at a relatively good time as well. So if you guys saw my last post, or if you haven't, check it out. I did do my BoxyCharm Premium. That's the $35 a month. This is $50 every season, you could say, or every 3 months. So I am excited about this. I did get a little sneak peek, but I haven't taken anything out or used it. So we're just going to dive right in and see how things are. I am so excited. I'm like chomping at the bit. I have so many things, like I said in my last one. I have my birthday haul, which I want to talk to you about my birthday haul and like do a look and do some mental health talk. And I'm going through a lot right now, guys. So if you could all just send me a lot of like light and love and positive thoughts and like a lot of life-changing stuff, and I'll be excited when I can like legally freely talk about it to help others that are going through the same thing. But yeah, just send some light this way if you guys feel, like you want to, I guess. But so I have so much stuff to talk to you guys about, and I can't wait to dive into the birthday haul, even if it's not that I can't talk to you about. I just can't wait to talk to you guys about mental health stuff again. And again, I'm taping. This is about 13-hour makeup, and your girl is tired, like goofy tired, like what I call sleepy ha-has. So sorry for the long intro. Let's jump right in, guys. So the first thing I see right here is the Rare Beauty Confident Energy eyeshadow palette. This is this guy right here, and it says it retails for $25. So I forget which color I chose, to be 100%. Oh no, that didn't open the way we wanted it to. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. What a beautiful palette. Okay, I kind of remember, I think that they're all shimmers. I have never tried anything Rare Beauty. Oh, look how cute. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says you are rare. I love that. Okay, and here are the colors. Beautiful colors. Let's get some swatches for you. So we've got Trust, Elevate, Strong, Gutsy, Willpower, and Boost. So we're going to start out right here with Boost. This blue, I'm just going to go by colors at this point because I don't want to keep looking at the bottom of it, guys. So we're going to go this beautiful, wow, I can't wait to play with these. Oh, wow, that is like really pigmented. Ooh, the brown is really pigmented too. And they feel like cream shadows, almost like cream to powder. Maybe they are. Let's read a little bit about them real quick before I jump into the last swatches. There's 6 everyday neutrals and bolds to reflect your true aura in all rich blendable longwear formula inspired by light and energy that surrounds us. Love that. These chromatic shades make it easy to celebrate everyday looks that reflect your own true aura. Warm neutrals and vivid bolds come together in a soft metallic and satin finish, perfect for a quick wash of color or endless layers. Okay, so I'm gonna wait, and then we're gonna do the last 2 of this palette right here and right here. So these are beautiful shades. I'm most excited about these 2 right here, even 3, and this pink is rather pretty as well. So again, here's, oh, not my mic falling over. Here's what this looks like right here. This will be really pretty for an inner corner as well. It kind of has like a multi-shift. I don't know if you guys can see this color right here, but it looks like gold and green and kind of like just silver as well. So love that. I did drop the rare thing on the ground, and I'm not going to bend over and get it. The next thing I see in here is, I'm just going to take out the next thing I have in my hand. This is the Cab Cosmetic Contour Palette. And I saw a lot of people talking about this, that you can get this at Walmart for like $12, but it says it retails for $60 here. This thing is huge. Just for reference, it's bigger than my head. It's very large and in charge, I suppose. It is, like I said, $60 for contouring. It's volume 1. I believe that they had different shades. I surely hope after looking at this that they had different, like maybe this was the light one. This is hard. I really don't know if I want to keep this and use this. It's really nice, but it feels like a lot of these are very orange and red kind of, so I don't really want to swatch this just yet, because I don't really know what I'm doing with this. I'm sorry. Ready, guys? Is there a hair? Oh my gosh, can you guys see? I don't know if you guys can see. Is there a hair in this color right here? It surely looks like it. I just want to understand how this happens with like all my BoxyCharm palettes. Like they've been touched in some way. Anyhow, this is cruelty free, which we love that here. But I don't know if I'm going to use it. And the whole $60 thing has been a large issue on other people's unboxings that I saw, because let's be real, I don't know if it's really worth $60. Okay, so the next thing I see in here is I have nothing from Saturday Skin. This is my first thing. Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Rip. Oh my gosh, whipped cream. Boy, I say that like 6 times fast. A soft, luxurious whipped cream that is encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. This is $56. I've heard good things about Saturday Skin, although like I said, I've never had it. I'm not going to open this up because I have so much skincare that's open at the time, and I'm just not going to be wasteful, because as we know, all things have a time period, and this is actually 12 months, so I would have a year to finish this. The next thing I see in here is the Nuco Defense Drops, and these are actually a supplement, and unfortunately I can't take anything like this because of my illness, and I just can't take the chance of it causing vasculitis or my vessels to like kind of closed off. Like ibuprofen does it, marijuana does it, like a lot of natural stuff actually is a vasoconstrictors. So I'm just not going to use this. I might sell it. I don't know if it's really going for anything, but hey, check out my Macari. The next thing I see in here is the Froze High Active Activated Lip Scrub. And I'm looking for it on my card. Okay. I do see it. It's called the Dew of Gods. Wow. Show your lips some much needed love with the scrub. Dew of the Gods is activated with hyaluronic acid. That's awesome. And essential oils to hydrate, exfoliate, and lift. Okay. Made from sugar, strawberry seed oil, jojoba oil, and shea extract. So my thing about this was I saw people open this, and when they were using it, it was apparently very dry. So it's weird to me that it has like hyaluronic acid and all these other like essential oils, and then it's also exfoliating, because it sounds to me like it was just a sugar scrub. But I actually have a Jeffree Star one open that I use all the time, and it's still barely dented, so I am not going to open that as well. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sure you don't really need like a lip scrub swatch, but yeah, I know that the whole point of unboxing is to unbox. So the next thing I see in here is is it the right way? Yes. Is the Adiago Not So Many Flat Iron. This is $99. Now, you can't really tell, I don't think, but I have a lot of hair. It takes people a lot of time to do my hair, as I usually have it straightened. And this is not actually, as it says, not so tiny. It's actually not a bad size, and I think I'll be keeping this for travel. I can see this being very good at like twisting and then like pulling down for nice waves or curls in the hair. I'm obviously not going to start this up right now, but you guys get the idea of what it looks like and its size, and I think that was awesome to get. I actually have a blowout like spinning brush that helps dry your hair by this company, and I love it. It's a lifesaver, and it's actually currently in the pop-up. If it's still there, it was yesterday, so if you're interested, it actually works really well. And I have curly, coarse, thick, and a lot of hair, and it helps to just blow dry that speeding process like much quicker, and it doesn't turn, roll, or like hurt your hair. It just kind of puts out a lot of air, and it's like a round brush and you can turn it, which is nice. So there's that. And then this is the iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. It is $26. I've heard amazing things about this mascara as well. It did receive it in the color black, and it actually looks a lot like the Pat McGrath. And Pat McGrath one is one of my favorites. Obviously this one's bigger. This is Pat McGrath, but you know, get what I'm saying. Same vibes. We can take a look at the wand. Oh, I like wands like this. It's actually the plastic bristles, and it's pretty thin. It does have like more flat side and then a curved side, it looks like. Maybe even, yeah, like different size bristles as well at the top and bottom. So that is great. I did hear good things, so I'm excited to try this, but I don't need any mascara on right now, but maybe we'll see it in an upcoming, like, Get Ready With Me. We shall try her out. The next thing and final thing that I see in here is this guy right here. If I could find it. And this is by Lifestyle Co. This is the Bamboo Body Wash. It is $49. Now, from what I heard about this, there's no safeties. Oh. No, there's like no safety seal. And this looks very like milky with bits of almost looks like sugar scrub in it. It's really hard. I obviously can't like, without spilling it, show you guys. But it is very liquidy. I expected this to be kind of like bamboo. I don't know. I just expected it to be like a little bit thicker, like kind of like a polish. But yeah, it says scoop between fingers, apply to wet skin and gently massage in a circular motion. Focus on rough areas. Rinse thoroughly. I have coffee scrub that I like to use for stuff like this, but definitely worth a try. Now my issue is $50. We'll find out. I'll try and let you guys know. I just don't foresee it being worth $50. But all in all, guys, yeah, that's my box. So we got the Rare Beauty palette, we got the iconic London Triple Threat Mascara, we got the Saturday Skin Probiotic Moisturizer, we got the Adiago, if that's how you say it. If not, that's wild that I just pronounced it that way. Not So Many Flat Iron, we got the Nuco Defense Drops that I won't be using, the Lifestyle Co. Body Polish, and the Dew of Gods Lip Scrub. Now, all in all, I can't say that this is a great box. I think it's pretty cool that we got something like a hair product. A long time ago, we got mini flat irons and they just weren't big enough. This one's actually a good size. I picked this. I picked the Rare Beauty palette, which is my favorite thing in there. This, I'm just, I don't know how I feel about this watching people use it. It seems very red looking at the colors. It seems very orange. And then on top of it, the price difference is wild to me. It's sold at Walmart for like $12 and then priced in our box for $60. I don't know. It's just kind of like bamboozled, as my son would say. And then these defense drops, although I think it's cool that there's something new in there, they have to kind of think that not everybody can take stuff like this, and I think it's kind of unfair because, you know, they're not really thinking about stuff like that, and now this is a high-priced item that I can't use, you know what I mean? And as for the contour palette, please let me know down below where there more color shades. Was there like a volume 2, 3, 4? Because if not, it isn't a very wide range of colors, and I don't know, I just think that's kind of crappy if that's the case. But look at this, guys. Let's talk about this. I am excited to play with this. Maybe we will, not maybe, we'll definitely put a look together with this as well, but I have so much stuff to show you that I want to put a look together, and I am like so excited to get into this one palette, and I'm refusing to go into it until I can like sit down with you guys and do it together because we're family here. Thank you all who have been checking on me, seeing how I've been feeling. I'm making it, you know, day by day, and going through some things that are really stressful that kind of cause issues with it, but you know, I'm trying my best and trying to get through every day, stay positive, and just keep pushing. That's all I really can do right now. And you know, I get on here and it's my little outlet, and I appreciate you guys. Let's try again. I appreciate you all for hanging out with me. I really do. And for tuning in. It means a lot to me because I really want to take this channel, as you guys know that you've been with me for a while, to a place of self-love and healing and, you know, working on the inside while we're you know, playing with makeup and working on the outside. So I love you all, and thanks for sticking through it with me. I know you know, there was a lot that I can't talk about. I just want to be able to say stuff to you guys. I just can't right now. But in a couple weeks, I'm going to be able to. So I love you all. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know what you got in your box. Did you like my box? What was your favorite item that you got in your box? All around, what did you think of Boxy Luxe this month, whether you got it or not? All right, guys, like I said, I love you all. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys on the next one, guys. Mwah. Bye, guys.